One of my favorite things to do is honestly mess around with props, try different engine heights to try to get the best performance out of the boat and motor package that I'm running for each year. So this specific motor, the power band that you want to be in at wide open throttle is 6,000 to 6,150 for RPMs. So basically, if you're way below that in range, you may need to, number one, raise the motor a little bit. That's going to get you a couple more RPMs. You may also need to drop down in prop pitch, a smaller prop, or change configuration of props. If you're running a 3-blade like this Tempest, move to a 4-blade like this Bravo right here. For instance, if I'm turning 5,800 with a 3-blade Tempest, and that's not enough, I want to go a little bit down, go to a 19 Tempest, a little bit smaller prop. I'm going to turn a little bit more RPM. So basically what you're doing is you're making sure that that motor at wide open throttle sits right in that sweet spot of 6,000 to 6,150 for maximum speed. Now with handling, that's another story. Handling, what we found on boats of this size, a lot of times that the 4-blades, like the Bravo 1 FSs or the Bravo 1 LTs, are going to be a better handling prop. So decide on what's more important, speed or handling. A lot of times with these props you can get the best of both worlds, but make sure with these Pro XSs at wide open throttle you're getting at least 5,950 for RPMs or a little bit more to get the maximum performance out of your boat and motor package.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.